Well, it's about 7:30 Monday morning, and this is bottling day, so we thought we were ready to go. There's a couple of things that came up. I got texted Friday at just before 5 o'clock when they go home out at Owl Ridge, and the glass has not shown up. And we're gonna start at 7:30, just about now, in setting up the line, and I got to get out there and find out what's going on. It's really hard to bottle without bottles. So that's one thing. And the other is we received a note that the lab tested the wine, the Cabernet Franc 2007 at it's supposed to be 14, I think it says 14.3 or 14.2 on the label, but it's apparently, I don't know if some water got into it during processing, or it could be an analytical error. We just don't know, the old one or the new one. But anyway, right now it's reading 13.88. Now, the law allows us a 1% leeway on what we state on the labels, but not, you can't go over the line from 14%, because below 14 is a different tax class than above 14. So you have to declare the correct tax class. So I'm going to call up Wine Secrets, which bought my alcohol adjustment technology, and they distill alcohol out of wines using the reverse osmosis process that I invented, and so they always have a big tank of high proof, and I'm going to see if I can buy. I only need a couple of gallons to take these 271 gallons up somewhere. And what we'll do is a tasting, what we call a sweet spot tasting, where it's actually kind of neat to be able to show you where we'll take a glass of this wine, and then we'll add 0.1% alcohol, and it often alters the wine so that it's harmonious. And so if it did get watered down, then the chances are that it'll be disharmonious, and we'll be able to tune it up by adding a little alcohol. So I'm going to send Mike Falk over there to pick up a couple of gallons of 175 proof alcohol that's been distilled from wine, and we'll just see if a little bit of extra alcohol, maybe 2 or 3 or 0.4% will make a difference in bringing that wine into harmony. I have to taste it first, of course, and see if that's the problem. But I can't put the labels that I currently have onto that bottle unless I fix that. So. Anyway, it's just one of many techniques that we use to kind of tune a wine up just before bottling, and well, we'll just go out there and see. It's possible that it's just an analytical problem. So the first thing we'll do is run it again and make sure that they're using the right kind of testing, something with enough accuracy to that this 13.88 is real. So those are, just the everyday dramas that happen around winemaking, and we'll see if we can get the stuff in the bottle this morning.